Mini Express is the ultimate combination of creativity and innovation, delivering a perfect Italian espresso directly in the cups. This Mini Express portrays the iconic gentleman with the mustache in an original artwork representing the style of this artist. How to use Bialetti Mini Express. Fill the boiler with water up to the valve level, fill the basket with coffee and screw the top part firmly on. Coffee will brew directly into the incuded cups, resting on a special aluminum plate that warms up during the preparation. Bialetti Mini Express size is measured in Espresso Cups. Coffee can be enjoyed in Espresso 2 cups included. Cleaning instructions. Bialetti Mini Express must only be cleaned by rinsing every component with simple water. Do not use any detergent nor put it in the dishwasher, as it damages the product and the taste of your coffee. Mini Express, a perfect match. The coffee maker designed for a very special appointment with the pleasure of taste. Innovative dispensing. The coffee is served directly in the cups, which are kept warm thanks to the special aluminum support plate. Top reviews from the United States. Love the color, love the coffee. I had an old Bialetti Moka pot that I bought for $3 at a garage sale years ago. It works and makes great coffee. When I was surfing Espresso Cups one day, I saw this Bialetti Mini Express in the color Lichtenstein, a bright yellow with 2 adorable cups. I felt it was a reasonable price for a pot from a maker with such a reliable product. I put 3 pots of water through it per the instructions before using the first time. The pot holds about 1/3 of a cup of water, and fills each shot glass after brewing to about half full, perfect if adding cream or sugar. Coffee was delicious. My only complaint was the box is made more for display on a shelf, not for shipping, and the porcelain cups had been loose rattling around in the box. It was luck and not packaging that they arrived unbroken. Still, beautiful on display, makes delicious coffee very quickly. I love it.